Today I'm going to show you how to make this adorable little garland using items only from the Dollar Tree. The materials you'll need will be a glue gun, of course glue sticks. You'll need some jute twine or hay bale string. I'm using hay bale string that I actually got off my hay bale that I used to feed my goats. You'll also need a little scarecrow welcome sign from the Dollar Tree. I think he's cute. And he says welcome. You'll also need some little styrofoam pumpkins. I'm going to be using 4, and I use the ones that have the little flowers and leaves and little embellishments on top because I figured they would be easy to glue to. And you'll also need a set of the LED lights. These are very, very beautiful. I have really enjoyed these. And you'll also need a pair of scissors. Okay, the first thing that we're going to do is, of course, remove the tag. And we're just going to snip that off like that. And then we're going to just cut this little piece of twine that came on our little sign. I'm just going to cut both ends of that off because we're not going to need that. We can save it for something else. Once you have that done, we are going to start gluing our bale string to the back of the scarecrow. I'm going to center my hay bale string, and with the center, that's where I'm going to start gluing it onto my scarecrow. I figured that would be an easy way to keep it even on both sides for the garland. But I'm just going to glue that down with my hot glue gun. Just add a dab of glue, hold it down for a second, and it'll make it a whole lot easier to glue from the center to the ends. Now I'm just going to run a bead of glue to the end of the little scarecrow hanger, and then I'm going to run the little string right across the top of it and give it a good press down and allow that to harden. Once that side is done and secure, we are going to just do the same side the other way. The same way, sorry. And you'll just run your bead of glue and press down till it dries. And once you're done with that, we're going to begin gluing our little pumpkins to our string. It's so simple. We already have that done. And now for our pumpkins. I am slightly OCD, so I'm going to put my green pumpkins first to the center. And I'm just going to take the string and I'm going to run a little dab of glue. First of all, I'm going to cut the tag off. And once I remove that, I'm just going to run a little bit of glue on the top of the pumpkin. And then once I have that done, I'll just simply attach the string. Doesn't really matter where you put it, just as long as you have enough glue on there to hold the string. And just let that dry. And once it's done, we are ready to attach our next pumpkin. This is really, really simple, but really cute. Same again with our second pumpkin. We're just going to remove the tag and attach it to the string. Once we finish this side, we will just simply do the same exact thing to the other side of our garland. It's very quick and easy to do. So simple to throw this together in a matter of minutes. And now your garland is complete. I think it's adorable. The last step will be to attach the LED lights to our garland. I'm just simply going to twist it around each little pumpkin and around the hay bale string to just make sure that it is secure and doesn't fall off. Once you attach it, it's really pretty secure. There's no need to glue it down or the actual wire. There's no need to glue that down or tie it down. It stays pretty much. If you feel better, maybe securing it with a little piece of floral wire or something like that, by all means, that is fine to do. But I'm just going to merely twist mine around until it is all across my whole garland. Once I have made it to the end, I'm going to use a piece of floral wire to secure it. But first I'm going to add a couple of beads of glue, and then I'm going to glue the battery pack to one of the pumpkins to just make it a little extra secure so I don't have to worry about it dangling or pulling on the wires. I'm just going to simply glue that to the pumpkin, and just as a little bit more added security, I'm going to add some floral wire and tie that around the battery pack. Once you have your battery pack secure, it's time to turn the switch on and give it a try. And there it is. It's so pretty. I think it's adorable.